Hey everybody, Zach here with NDOWlicensing.com, showing you today how to take your small game harvest surveys. Not many people know this, but if you picked up a sage grouse reservation permit this year, a Himalayan snowcock permit, or a swan tag this year, you're required to fill out a survey on NDOWlicensing.com. To do that, it's very easy and will take just a few minutes of your time. To do so, start by going to NDOWlicensing.com and logging into your account. Once logged in, on the left-hand side, you'll see the return cards and surveys option. This is also where you submit your return card for a big game tag, as well as get your HIP number. So you can see here, I have my sage grouse reservation survey to take, my swan permit survey to take, and my survey for my Himalayan snowcock permit. On each of these, just expand the drop-down and take the survey. You'll be asked questions pertaining to your hunt, such as the number of hunters in your party, how many days you hunted, and your harvest numbers. Also, you may be prompted to enter in some locations. You can add new locations to your entry log. Or remove them if you add one by mistake. Once you click submit, you'll see that your survey is now set as reported. You'll do the same thing for your swan permit, where you'll answer questions related to the county that you harvested in or hunted in. And then also you'll do the same thing for your Himalayan snowcock permit. So there you have it. Thanks everybody. If you drew one of these permits or picked one up, please make sure you go on to NDOWlicensing.com and fill out your information. Thank you.